Hi guys, welcome to Library at Home. It's me, Elda. It's Fat Tuesday and we are going to make king cakes. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm super excited because these are super yummy and really easy to make. If you hold on one second though, I am going to take the king cake out of the oven that we're going to decorate in a minute. Okay, so welcome to Library at Home. It's Fat Tuesday and we are making king cakes. So what we need for tonight's recipe is you need 2 packs of crescent rolls, 2 packages of cream cheese, you need a teaspoon of lemon juice, I'm going to read my ingredients here, a half a cup of brown sugar, high Maureen, you need a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, cup of pecans, that's optional if you want, 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are going to start, okay, really quickly. Here you go, you guys. Here is the finished product, and this is a king cake, which is, I don't know how familiar you guys are with king cakes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera down though, because we are gonna get started right away. So there you go. Hi Lucy, thanks for watching. I feel like my camera is crooked, but there's not much I can do to fix that tonight. So, what we're gonna do is we are going to start, let me show you guys if you just joined in. This is what we're making tonight. We are making a king cake, which is a, hi Denise, thanks for watching, which this is a traditional Mardi Gras celebration cake. Some of you guys may be familiar with king cakes. Hi Nancy, thanks for watching. You might be familiar with king cakes from Three Kings Day. We are doing the Mardi Gras version of it, which is what they celebrate, kick off Three Kings Day, and you will eat king cakes all through Mardi Gras and end with Fat Tuesday. The camera's crooked, it's gonna bug me, but I'm sorry. Okay, so we're gonna start out by making the filling. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take 2 packs of cream cheese and you're going to mix it with your brown sugar, your cinnamon, and your vanilla. Oh my gosh, this is, hi Emma. This filling too is so good that you'll probably want to make it for other things other than Three King cakes. Okay, so 2 things of cream cheese, softened too. That is the key. They'll blend so much better. So you want your 2 packs of cream cheese. Sorry, these take a little bit longer to open. I almost opened them, but then I thought, no, I'm not gonna do that. So we've got our cream cheese. I'll wipe off my hands. Get rid of my package. We are going to put in a half a cup of brown sugar. We're going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla and I believe a teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the mixer and it's probably gonna get loud for a minute. So I'm sorry about that, guys. All right, can you guys tell me, hi Heike, thanks for watching. Tell me if that's too loud. I will try to talk louder. While we are mixing up our cream cheese, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the actual cake. So traditionally a king cake would be oval to represent the king's crown. I'm gonna go ahead and make mine round on my pizza stone, which cooks crescent rolls. Fantastic. So you want 2 packages of crescent rolls. Is that too loud? Now it is, right? Hi, Alicia. Thanks for watching. All right, we're gonna try that on low. So you're gonna want to take your crescent rolls. Now here's the only tricky part of this. Okay, you are going to use 2 packs, and you are going to place them on your plate with the points overlapping. Okay, don't push them down though, because you're gonna need to pick them up. So go ahead and overlap your points. And you're gonna do this with both packs while you're cooking your cream cheese. And you guys are gonna be amazed at how easy this is. Okay, and then we're just gonna push down the center, like right here. Attach these pieces, not the points and not the ends, because you're gonna need to fold those over once you fill your king cake. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off because that's probably done. And we're gonna go ahead and put our last 8 down. I'm gonna get all my garbage out of the way here. Okay, where's the end? So, king cakes have kind of an interesting story. I read about them. So inside the king cake, they used to hide a bean or a coin. And then in around 1950s, during Mardi Gras, a guy came into one of the bakers and he had an extremely large amount of these little plastic babies. So he asked the baker if he would be interested in putting the babies in the king cakes. So that is how the little baby got to be inside the king cake. Now I'm not gonna put my baby inside my cake, as funny as that sounds. I'm going to open mine up after it's baked. Look, if you break one like I just did, just smush it back together. We're gonna put that one on top. I'm gonna put mine inside mine. All right, so here you have it. It's kind of a circle. Do the best you can. We are going to grab our cream cheese mixture. You're gonna wanna mix yours up a little bit more than I did. I just didn't wanna make a lot of noise. So mix it until it's like a, kind of like a Kahlua brown color, nice and mixed. Like I said, mine, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit because I don't wanna make all that noise for you, but it's pretty mixed. And I'm gonna go ahead and use my cookie scoop to put it on, because this, honestly, you just want to make sure you get it even. We're going to go around here with it. So I'm going to scoop mine out with my cookie scooper, just so I can evenly space it. And you guys can see mine is not thoroughly mixed as I would like it. But this is so yummy. I'm going to put one more in here. And we'll go ahead and spread that out, just to get it kind of even. This is just gonna bake all yummy together. Okay, I'm gonna push it back just a little. You wanna be able to get to your tips, so you're gonna fold those over once you put your cream cheese in there. And this smells so good, you guys, when you bake it. And this is kind of a fun thing to make, especially in a year like this year. I don't know if you guys ever traditionally celebrate Mardi Gras, but if you do, this would have been a good year to stay home and bake a king cake. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we are just going to fold over the ends. That was my broken one, so I'm gonna fix it. I'll wipe off my hands because this cream cheese gets a little messy. So you just want to close up your cake now. And as you can see, it's creating a nice circle. And traditionally, it would have been oval to represent the king's crown. But I'm gonna just, they also do them in circles. We're going circles tonight. Okay, so I'm pushing this all the way around, and you guys can see this circle that is creating. Forgot to tell you, you want to preheat your oven. And then you guys can go through and just, now you can make sure all your little folds, all your areas are closed. This is good. I see no cream cheese peeking out. And if you want to just shape it a little bit. And there you go. There is your round circle. I've got it all touched. Now I'm gonna put it in the oven, 375, 20, recipe calls for 20 minutes. I cook mine for 25. So we're gonna pop this in the oven for 25 minutes. And when it's done, it's going to look like this. So here we have our king cake, and you can see there's no cream cheese popping out, which is amazing to me, which means I filled it, sealed it all the way. So now we're gonna go ahead and we are going to make our frosting. And if you want now, you can transfer this to another plate that you want to serve it on. You want to frost it about 5 minutes after it came out the oven. Okay, let's hope I don't crack it. So I did my other one. I like to do it on the pizza stone because it slides off nice too. But that worked. Okay, so here's our plate that we're gonna serve it on. I feel like you guys have a little bit of a glare, I'm sorry. Okay, so here's our king cake. We're making our frosting, which is 2 cups, let me move this over so you guys can see. 2 cups of powdered sugar. Did you guys see that smoke? 1/4 cup of milk. And a teaspoon of, I don't know where I put my lemon juice. Lemon juice. I also like to add, if you guys want, you can add a little bit of melted butter. Hi Courtney, thanks for watching. It's kind of hard to see you guys. I'm sorry if I'm not answering. I like to add a little bit of vanilla too, and or a little melted butter. But you just want to mix this up. We're going to stick to the directions. And then you are just going to pour this right on top of your king cake. You want to do it when it's a little bit warm, and it's going to just pull inside here. You're going to have this gooey, yummy icing. Okay, so now we've created our icing. And here's the magic. So we're just going to pour this now right on top of our king cake. And just let it naturally spill over, pull, kind of do its thing. Some people don't like a lot of icing. I'm an icing person, so I'm using all of it. And you can see it's kind of melting all over the cake because you guys, this cake smells so good. Hi Jean, thanks for watching. All right, so we've got a little bit more. I did not grab a second spatula. Let me see if I've got. I don't want to waste any of this yummy frosting, so we're just going to go all the way around with it. Get as much as we can. As you can see, it's pulling in here, so if you guys want to pull some up on top, or you can just let that go. Oh, I was going to tell you though, since I don't put the baby or the trinket, used to be a coin, used to be a bean, if you're going to put something inside it and you don't want to bake it in there, you would want to put it in there before you put the icing on. So this one's not going to have a little baby inside there. Although, look how cute that baby is. So now you're going to go ahead and just load it up with sprinkles. You're going to want to use purple for justice, green for faith, and gold for power. Also, you guys, if you don't have these sprinkles, what I discovered is you can mix food coloring with regular sugar. Oh, I had a cup of it to show you. So I mix some regular sugar in with food coloring, a lot of sugar, a little bit of food coloring, and you get your colored sprinkles. I always want to try it, so I did say. All right, so now you want to just, like I said, hopefully you guys can see this. You want to load it up. You want to go gold, green, and here, you guys, I mean, load, like messy is good on this. Gold, green, purple. And you just keep going around. Purple here. Do some gold. My husband loves when I do this because I always leave a trail of sprinkly mess behind. I am a sprinkle and a icing girl, so I am going heavy with this. All right, and there you have it, you guys. Oh, shoot. Look, I forgot green. That's supposed to be green right here. I was too busy thinking about how I want to overload this with sprinkles. All right, there we go. We'll put a little more green on these so the green matches. So here you have it. Here is your king cake. Here's the one I made earlier that if you want to go ahead and garnish it. I'm not going to put these in there right now because of the pool, but I do want to cut this open because I have not yet, and we're going to see how it looks like on the inside. So we can see how the yummy cream cheese. I wish I could give you guys a piece of this to taste. It's nice and flaky, and here you have it. Let's see if you guys can see all that yummy cream cheese inside there. Hi Liz, thanks for watching. All right, so this is all yummy cream cheese. So Mardi Gras, Fat Tuesday, king cakes. I think that you guys should all try to make these because this is super easy, and if nothing else, hello, your house is gonna smell super delicious. Heike, you are welcome to come over and get some from my porch. So happy Fat Tuesday, guys. I hope you guys, it's gonna spill all over. I hope you guys try to make this. If you do, let me know because I'm hoping that you will like it as much as I do. Hi, Melissa. It smells really good too. So thanks for watching, you guys. And next week, I'm gonna be live again. And next week we are making edible garden art focaccia bread. So grab all of your veggies to cut up. Take a look at the picture online. Grab your ingredients, and it would be really fun if you guys were gonna bake with me. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next week. Happy Mardi Gras. Bye.